Himalayan salt secrets, benefits, myths, and how to use it for great health. Himalayan salt has garnered attention for its purported health benefits, ranging from improved hydration to respiratory health. Unlike standard table salt, this pink-hued mineral boasts a rich profile of trace elements and a storied history of therapeutic applications. Let's dive deep into the health benefits of Himalayan salt, separating the myths from the facts while sharing real-life experiences that underscore its potential. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Just one more thing. If you're over 50, be sure to watch this video until the end. And if you're under 50, don't skip it. This information can truly help you live a longer, healthier, and disease-free life. Number 1. Promotes better hydration. Himalayan salt is often used to create soul water, a solution of salt and water believed to improve hydration by balancing electrolytes. Unlike table salt, Himalayan salt contains a broader spectrum of minerals that may aid in maintaining optimal cellular function. Electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium are essential for fluid balance and nerve function. A 2017 study published in the Journal of Human Kinetics noted that electrolyte-rich beverages improve hydration levels more effectively than plain water. Alberta, a yoga instructor in California, swears by her morning routine of drinking a teaspoon of Himalayan soul water mixed in a glass of warm water. It keeps my energy consistent throughout the day and reduces muscle cramps after workouts, she says. Number 2. Supports respiratory health. Salt therapy, or halotherapy, involves inhaling salt particles and is often used to manage conditions like asthma, bronchitis, and allergies. Himalayan salt lamps and salt caves are touted for their ability to purify the air and reduce respiratory irritation. A study in the Annals of Agricultural and Environmental Medicine, 2014, showed that halotherapy could reduce inflammation and improve lung function in patients with chronic respiratory conditions. A mother in New York shares how regular visits to a Himalayan salt cave alleviated her son's chronic asthma. After just a few sessions, his wheezing significantly decreased, she recounts. Number 3. Enhances skin health. Himalayan salt is used in scrubs, baths, and soaks to detoxify the skin and reduce inflammation. The salt's mineral content and antibacterial properties make it a popular choice for managing conditions like eczema and acne. Magnesium-rich salt baths have been shown to improve skin hydration and barrier function, according to research published in the International Journal of Dermatology, 2005. Liam, a dermatologist from London, recommends Himalayan salt baths for his patients with psoriasis. The anti-inflammatory properties help calm irritated skin, and the minerals promote healing, he explains. Number 4. Balances pH levels. Maintaining a slightly alkaline pH level in the body is essential for overall health, and some proponents claim that Himalayan salt helps regulate acidity levels. While the body's pH is tightly regulated by internal mechanisms, consuming mineral-rich foods can support metabolic processes. Though direct evidence of Himalayan salt is limited, its trace minerals, such as magnesium and calcium, are known to assist in metabolic functions. A nutritionist in Toronto advises her clients to replace regular salt with Himalayan salt. It's not a magic bullet, but its mineral content can be a valuable addition to an alkaline-focused diet, she says. Number 5. Aids in better sleep. Himalayan salt's mineral content may play a role in calming the nervous system, promoting relaxation, and supporting better sleep. Magnesium, a mineral present in Himalayan salt, is known for its role in reducing cortisol, the stress hormone, which can disrupt sleep patterns. Clara, a software developer, struggled with insomnia for years. After incorporating Himalayan salt lamps into her bedroom routine and adding Himalayan salt to her diet, she noticed a significant improvement. The warm glow of the lamp and the mineral boost helped me unwind like never before, she claims. Number 6. Improves digestive health. Himalayan salt is believed to stimulate digestive enzymes, aiding in nutrient absorption and digestion. Sodium plays a critical role in the production of hydrochloric acid in the stomach, essential for digestion. Himalayan salt's trace minerals may further support gut health. Jenna, a naturopath, recommends adding a pinch of Himalayan salt to meals. It helps reduce bloating and improves overall digestion for many of my clients, she explains. Number 7. Reduces muscle cramps. Athletes and active individuals often use Himalayan salt to replenish lost electrolytes and reduce muscle cramping. Magnesium and potassium, both present in Himalayan salt, are crucial for muscle function and preventing cramps. Studies on electrolyte balance have shown its importance in athletic recovery. Mark, a marathon runner, mixes Himalayan salt into his hydration packs. It's been a game changer for my endurance and recovery, he says. Number 8. Detoxifies the body. Himalayan salt baths are believed to draw out toxins and heavy metals from the body, leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Although evidence is limited, the osmosis process in salt baths can help remove impurities from the skin. Amanda, a wellness blogger, incorporates weekly Himalayan salt baths into her routine. It's like hitting the reset button for my body and mind, she shares. Number 9. Boosts oral health. Himalayan salt can also be used as a natural mouth rinse to support oral health by reducing bacteria and inflammation in the gums. Saltwater rinses have long been recommended for oral health. The trace minerals in Himalayan salt may offer additional anti-inflammatory benefits. Tom, a dental hygienist, advises patients to use Himalayan salt rinses after oral surgeries. It helps speed up healing and reduces the risk of infection, he explains. Number 10. Enhances emotional well-being. Himalayan salt lamps are believed to improve mood and reduce stress by emitting negative ions, which may enhance serotonin levels in the brain. While more research is needed, studies on negative ions suggest they can positively affect mood and mental clarity. Emma, a mindfulness coach, keeps Himalayan salt lamps in her workspace. They create a calming atmosphere, and I feel more focused and positive, she says. Well, that covers all the scientifically proven benefits of Himalayan salt. Now, let's explore the frequently asked questions of these natural pink salts. Question 1. What's the difference between regular salt and Himalayan salt? Regular salt is heavily processed, often containing additives like anti-caking agents, and is primarily composed of sodium chloride. Himalayan salt, on the other hand, is minimally processed and contains over 80 trace minerals, including potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which give it a unique pink color and additional health benefits. Question 2. Who should not use Himalayan salt? Individuals with certain health conditions, such as kidney disease, heart disease, or hypertension, should limit their salt intake, including Himalayan salt. Always consult with a healthcare provider for personalized advice. Question 3. Is it okay to eat Himalayan salt every day? Yes, in moderation. The recommended daily sodium intake is about 2,300 milligrams for most adults, which includes all sources of sodium. Himalayan salt can be a healthier alternative to regular table salt, but should still be consumed within the recommended limits. Question 4. Is Himalayan salt good for the skin? Yes, Himalayan salt is excellent for the skin due to its mineral content and antibacterial properties. It can help exfoliate dead skin cells, reduce inflammation, and promote hydration when used in baths or scrubs. Question 5. How much pink salt per day? The ideal daily intake depends on your dietary needs and health condition. Generally, limit your total salt intake, including Himalayan salt, to less than 1 teaspoon, about 5 grams per day. Question 6. Which salt to avoid? Avoid salts that are highly processed and contain additives, such as regular iodized table salt with anti-caking agents. Opt for natural, minimally processed salts like Himalayan salt or sea salt. Question 7. What are the side effects of pink salt? Excessive consumption of Himalayan salt can lead to high blood pressure, kidney strain, or fluid retention, just like regular salt. Moderation is key to avoiding potential side effects. Question 8. How to mix Himalayan salt with water. To create soul water, dissolve a few Himalayan salt crystals in a jar of water and let it sit overnight. Use 1 teaspoon of this solution in a glass of water as a mineral-rich hydration boost. Always stir well before drinking. Question 9. What is Himalayan salt? Himalayan salt is mined from the Kura salt mine in Pakistan, one of the oldest and largest salt mines in the world. Formed over 250 million years ago, This salt is considered one of the purest forms of salt available. It contains over 80 trace minerals, including magnesium, potassium, and calcium, which give it its distinct pink color and potential health benefits. Question 10. What is the practical uses of Himalayan salt? Cooking and seasoning. Replace regular table salt with Himalayan salt for a mineral-rich alternative. Detox baths. Add a cup of Himalayan salt to warm bath water to relieve sore muscles and detoxify the skin. Salt lamps. Use Himalayan salt lamps to improve air quality and create a calming ambiance. Inhalers. Try Himalayan salt inhalers for respiratory health. Scrubs and exfoliants. Mix Himalayan salt with coconut oil for an effective DIY skin scrub. Electrolyte drinks. Mix Himalayan salt with lemon and water for a homemade electrolyte drink. Oral rinse. Use a Himalayan saltwater solution as a natural mouthwash to support oral health. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness special tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.